as Bitcoin currently trades at 45,800. Mike Novogratz, CEO of Galaxy Digital, is making adjustments to his previous Bitcoin price prediction. In an interview with Bloomberg Technology back in mid-March, Novogratz made a bold prediction that Bitcoin will reach 500K in the long term, but in the short term he thought Bitcoin would stay around the 30 to 50K range. When Novogratz made that prediction, Bitcoin was trading at $38,947. Bitcoin has since surged 16, and now Novogratz is adjusting his prediction. In his Q4 earnings call, the billionaire stated, "I had said originally I thought this would be a range a year 30 to 50,000 in Bitcoin and whatnot, but given the adoption cycle I'm seeing and given the way markets trade and how I just seen new people wanting to get in the innovation we're seeing in Web3 and in the metaverse space, I've gotten more constructive than I was at the beginning of the year, and so it wouldn't surprise me to see crypto significantly higher by the end of the year." Novogratz's statement comes as there is an increasing interest in cryptocurrency, specifically Bitcoin. Different geopolitical turmoil events across the globe, such as the trucker convoy in Canada and the conflict in Ukraine, showcase the importance of having a decentralized asset and being able to transact without government interference. In regards to the Ukraine situation, Novogratz mentioned how the conflict will reorient people's perspective on cryptocurrency, thus leading to more adoption and a higher price. "We had a war break out in the Ukraine where Russia has invaded. That's interesting. It creates a lot of inflationary pressures through the commodity cycle. It creates a lot of risk-off behavior and anxiety, but it also adds to a narrative in crypto which is really positive and continues to accelerate adoption. This has been a year of push-pulling crypto with macro headwinds and adoption tailwinds. Part of its story involves when Europe and the US told Russia those cash reserves really aren't your reserves. For the first time in my investing career, people said, wait a minute, if that could happen there, what about China and its $1.4 trillion of treasuries?" The story for Bitcoin and other crypto assets got more of a tailwind. "I don't think this is going backwards. I think we're in a vulcanized world and where crypto assets fit and is going to continue to be debated, but it's going to grow in scope." In a recent interview with CNBC's Andrew Sorkin, Secretary Treasury Janet Yellen changed her tune on cryptocurrency enough for CEO Michael Saylor to call it iconic. This bullish talk also played a factor in Novogratz's adjusted prediction. He stated it should not be missed that Secretary Janet Yellen in her last comments took a much more sanguine approach towards crypto. Right, the political winds in DC are changing. I think Democrats who had been more opposed to crypto are realizing that voters really like this asset class, and so you're seeing a shift in regulatory front. Although Novogratz suggests a higher price than his original 50K range this time, he didn't give an exact price but said it would be significantly higher, maybe 100K for 2022. What do you think of Mike Novogratz's thoughts here? Leave a comment and we will see you in the next video.